guys, welcome to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I want to show you this playset that I made for my cousin. So this is the Winnie the Pooh playset. It has all the characters: Winnie the Pooh, Tiger, Eeyore, Eeyore, Picnic. So these are all made with mini beads. And then I like the size. It's so tiny, so it's like a little toy to play around. Usually if I use regular 5mm bead, it's gonna look like, you know, the Mickey Mouse. So you can see a comparison. This is using mini bead and this is the regular bead, how big the size is. So since I need to ship it to another country, it's better to have it in a small size. So today I'm going to show you how I decorate this one, like the one I did for the Alice Wonderland, but I don't have the mushroom today. But I'm going to show you the little pieces that I made, and then they're all here. Oops. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you will enjoy my video, my content, and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get more videos like this or tutorials. And if you're already my subscriber, thank you so much for watching my video and all your supports. And let's get started. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so earlier we already talked about who we have. You know, Winnie the Pooh, Eeyore, Tiger, Picnic, and the honey jars. Sometimes they don't stand that well, but actually I'm surprised with this one. It actually stands pretty well. So today for the little prompts, I made these balloons. And now I'll show you why I made the balloons. And I made these little bees. And then also a little flower like this. And then the little flower. And then so today I will need the hot glue gun. So be careful when you're using hot glue gun because it's super hot. I just burned my arm earlier. So let's get started. So let's move the characters away on the side. I know they're super cute. So let's glue the little flower on the top. That should be the easiest thing to do. So it's just very random, but you know, however you like. Oops. Or sometimes I would use a teaser, but today it's okay. And then so just glue a little bit on the back. I like hot glue because it glues really fast. And I don't have to hold it or wait for overnight. But sometimes you see this little thing flying around, it's okay. Yeah. So let's add all of them. One more. Somewhere over here. Got it. So add the little bit color on it. But this plate is already very pretty with the color. And then, so here you can see I'm actually adding the glass, like grass, 4 pieces into one hole. So let's do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place all these 4 into this slot. And then I actually cut the top part. So these are the mini beads. I cut the top part to like a shape. I just have to be careful. Alright. So like this one, I add the 4, but I feel like they're too straight. Oops. They look too straight. So I kind of bend them. Yeah. So just like that. And if you want to stabilize it, go to the back, to the bottom, and apply hot glue on that spot. And then let it dry for a little bit, because you can see the bottom. Oops. Be careful with the hot glue gun, because when it first get out, the glue is super hot, but after that it's not hot at all, but it keeps everything in place. Okay, we did one. So let's go to the other one. This time we're gonna add this flower as well. Okay, so let's try. So this one, I think we can squeeze one more. Yeah, so just fill in the spot and then kind of bend or open it up a little bit. Just like so. Okay. So I'm gonna glue on the back. So just keeping them in place. It doesn't have to be very fancy because it's in the back. You can't barely see it. Yeah. Then hold it for a little bit. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, so one more. Oops, actually I'm running out of these, but I'm just gonna put 2. And then looks like it's not gonna stay in place, so I'm just gonna do like this. Glue around it. Then it's gonna stay here. You can see like little glue string. Usually I have my tweezer with me, I can move them, but okay. So now we got that. And then so I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put this, since it's a play set, so I'm not gonna glue on it. So this one is the honey jar that has spilled a little bit. Then here, boom. Winnie the Pooh on this one. And then also the honeybee has little things sticking out, so I can easily place it on here. So it looks like that. Oops. So sometimes when I do like play set, I would have these available. I get these from the Dollar Tree. So it's both sides. And then I'll cut it in half. Or cut like a small space. So for the feet to kind of stabilize. Let me see. So kind of stabilize to the plates. Okay. So this way it's gonna be more stable to the plates. And then this one we can do the same since we have leftover. But I don't use hot glue gun on these because I kind of think it's play set for little kids. So they might want to take it apart, take it out and try again. So this is how I decorated. And have this here. Hard to stand anyways. So the reason why these balloons are super cute, right? And then the reason why I made this because eel, the head is really heavy. So when it put like this way, you can see. So interesting, right? But if I put picnic on him, look. It actually is supposed to stay in place. So it's the little weights on this to keep it stable. So what I wanted to do is using this balloon. The instruction was saying to use like glue or something like that to stick on the back, but I still don't want to use hot glue on this. So I use like a little plate to put the balloon on it and then insert it to the back. So it adds the weight to the back. I don't know why it's supposed to work. Yeah. So, not working. So weird. Okay. Okay, like that. So adds a little weight on it so it can stay in place. Also, like this one, just a little bit on the honey jar. Yay! So if you like a mushroom, you can also build a mushroom and then just add it on here. Makes it more like colorful. So now that we have 2 plates for both of them. Yeah, here. Yep, so this is my take on the playset. How do you decorate it and how to like place it on there too for your pictures or like, you know, kind of play around with it. So I hope you enjoyed my video and will give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.